Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive step by step. It's actually a pretty simple process, so just follow along and you'll be done in no time. Let's get into it. First things first, plug your USB into your system. Just make sure it's at least 8 GB or more in storage. Anything less than that won't work, so double check that before we move forward. Now open any browser, head over to Google and search for Download Windows 11. You'll see a few results come up. Click on the official Microsoft website. Make sure it's the official one, which is Microsoft.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down a little and you'll see 3 different options for downloading Windows 11. We're going to go with the second one, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click the Download Now button under it and the download will start. The file size is pretty small, so it shouldn't take too long. Once it's downloaded, right-click on the file and hit Show in Folder. This is the file we need to run, so right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Make sure you run it as an administrator, otherwise it might not work properly. The Windows 11 Setup Wizard will open up. It's going to take a moment to load, so just give it a second. You'll see a progress bar. Just let it do its thing. Once it loads, click Accept to agree to the license terms. On the next screen, you'll see the language settings. Just leave everything as default and hit Next. No need to change anything here unless you specifically want a different language. Now here you'll see 2 options, USB flash drive and ISO file. We're going to choose a USB flash drive because we want to install Windows directly from the USB. The ISO option is also valid, but that requires a third-party tool like Rufus to burn the image first, which is an extra step we don't need right now. So let's keep it simple and go with the USB option. Select it and hit Next. On the next screen, your USB drive will show up here. If you have more than one USB plugged in, they'll all appear, and you can pick whichever one you want. In my case, there's only one, so it's already selected. Just double check that the right drive is selected before moving forward. Hit Next, and the process will begin. Now this part can take an hour or longer, depending on your internet speed, so sit back and be patient. You can see the progress on screen. It'll show you what it's currently doing, whether it's downloading or verifying the files. Once it's done, you'll see a message on screen saying, "Your USB flash drive is ready." Click Finish and the wizard will close. If I open up my USB in File Explorer, you can see all the Windows 11 setup files are right here. These are all the files needed to do a fresh install of Windows from a USB drive. So everything looks good. And that's it. You can now unplug your USB and attach it to whichever system you want to install Windows on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.